with the updates concentrating on increasing torque in the most used low, mid and upper mid-range. The 1084 cubic centimeters, 8-valve parallel twin engine produces 75 kilowatts at 7,500 rpm with peak torque of 112 Nm at 5,500 rpm. Bore is set at 92 mm with 81.5 mm stroke and compression ratio of 10.5 to 1. 35 mm airbox intake ducts draw air to twin, length-optimized internal trumpets. 46 mm throttle bodies feed the inlet ports and the bore and cylinder pitches are aligned to create a smooth air intake profile. The injector angle delivers a direct spray into the twin-spark combustion chambers. Honda's SOHC Unicam valve train is a feature of the MX competition specification CRF1100R, and the low-set position of the cast camshaft contributes to the compact nature of the cylinder head and entire engine package. Inlet valves are 10.1 mm in diameter, exhaust valves 9.3 mm. The 24YM update saw the introduction of a reshape of the 270 degrees crankshaft, reshaped and reinforced conrod and 0.4 mm longer piston, which also featured a reshaped piston surface crown for optimal ignition and engine performance. Aluminium cylinder sleeves save weight, while the 270 degrees phased crankshaft and uneven firing interval create the engine's desirable signature, throb and character. The crankcases are split horizontally. The water pump is housed efficiently within the clutch casing with a thermostat integrated into the cylinder head. Manual and DCT versions of the engine share common crankcases with only minor external differences. The water and oil pumps are both driven by the engine's balancer shafts. The engine features a semi-dry sump design with in-tank lower crankcase oil storage. This allows a lower pan depth that keeps overall engine height low. As the pressure-fed pump is located within the tank where it delivers its oil from, there is no need for a pressure feed passage.